Texas fines limits practice test.
Question 1. If a Texas driver fails to report an accident that results in less than $200 damage, the driver will be fined up to
$250, $500, $50, $100.
Answer:
$500.
Question 2. Potential Texas drivers who are under the age of must have their instruction permit or driver's license applications signed by a parent, guardian, or, if neither are available, a responsible employer.
15, 18, 21, 16.
Answer:
18.
Question 3. The maximum jail sentence for a first DWI conviction is days.
180, 60, 30, 90.
Answer:
180.
Question 4. If a Texas driver who is under the age of 17 is convicted of a DUI by a minor, he or she will be required to pay a fine of up to
$250, $100, $1,000, $500.
Answer:
$500.
Question 5. If a Texas driver causes a crash resulting in serious bodily injury or death while operating a vehicle without a driver's license, she will be fined up to
$3,000, $4,000, $2,000, $1,000.
Answer:
$4,000.
Question 6. All accident reports must be filed within days of the crash.
7, 3, 10, 30.
Answer:
10.
Question 7. Children under the age of are required to be seated in child safety seats in the state of Texas.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Answer:
5.
Question 8. The minimum license suspension period for a first DWI conviction in the state of Texas is days.
90, 10, 180, 60.
Answer:
90.
Question 9. Who is required to wear seat belts in the state of Texas?
The driver only. The driver and front seat passenger. The back seat passengers only. The driver and all passengers.
Answer:
The driver and all passengers.
Question 10. A second DWI conviction could result in a jail sentence of up to
30 days. 180 days. 90 days. 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 11. The minimum license suspension period for a second DWI conviction is days.
90. 360. 30. 180.
Answer.
180.
Question 12. A third or subsequent DWI conviction could result in a penitentiary sentence of up to
10 years. 90 days. 5 years. 1 year.
Answer.
10 years.
Question 13. It takes the body about hours to process the amount of alcohol in one drink.
3. 1. 2. 0.5.
Answer.
1.
Question 14. If a DWI occurs while a passenger under the age of 15 is in the vehicle, a Texas driver could be subject to an additional fine of up to
$10,000. $1,000. $5,000. $15,000.
Answer.
$10,000.
Question 15. Upon a first conviction of driving without a valid license, a Texas driver could be fined up to
$100. $25. $50. $200.
Answer.
$200.
Question 16. A conviction of a failure to stop at the scene of a crash could result in up to years in a Texas state penitentiary.
4. 2. 5. 3.
Answer.
5.
Question 17. The maximum fine for a first DWI conviction in the state of Texas is
$1,000. $2,000. $500. $100.
Answer.
$2,000.
Question 18. A conviction of a failure to stop at the scene of a crash could result in a fine of up to
$1,000. $100. $500. $5,000.
Answer.
$5,000.
Question 19. According to the Texas Driver's Manual, alcohol played a part in approximately of all fatal automobile accidents in the state.
35%. 20%. 10%. 18%.
Answer.
35%.
Question 20. A conviction of intoxication manslaughter will result in an additional years in a Texas penitentiary.
3. 4. 2. 5.
Answer.
2.
Question 21. If a Texas driver is convicted of a third DWI, he or she will be confined in jail for at least
2 years, 90 days, 6 months, 1 year.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 22. If a Texas driver fails to report an accident that results in more than $200 of damage, he or she could be fined up to
$500, $2,000, $1,000, $100.
Answer.
$2,000.
Question 23. If a first DUI offense is committed by a minor driver who is under the age of 18, his or her
license will be suspended for 120 days. Parents will be fined up to $500. Parents will be required to attend alcohol awareness. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 24. Which of the following could contribute to a DWI conviction in the state of Texas?
Inhalants, marijuana, over-the-counter medications. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 25. To apply for a Texas instruction permit, a potential driver must pay a fee of
$5, $16, $20, $50.
Answer.
$16.
Question 26. What is the legal back limit in the state of Texas?
0.08%, 0.07%, 0.10%, 0.09%.
Answer.
0.08%.
Question 27. Who is required to wear seat belts regardless of their position in the vehicle?
Passengers under 16 only if occupying the front seat. The driver and all passengers. Only the driver. Passengers under 18.
Answer.
The driver and all passengers.
Question 28. What is the legal back limit in the state of Texas for drivers who are under the age of 21?
0.05%, 0.02%, 0.08%, 0.00%.
Answer.
0.00%.
Question 29. The maximum fine for a second DWI conviction in the state of Texas is
$500, $6,000, $4,000, $1,000.
Answer.
$4,000.
Question 30. A third or subsequent DWI conviction will result in a license suspension period of at least
1 year, 180 days, 5 years, 2 years.
Answer.
180 days.
Question 31. During Phase 2 of Texas's graduated driver's license program, drivers under the age of 18 are restricted to passengers under the age of 21 and not related to the driver.
3, 2, 1, 4.
Answer.
1.
Question 32. The maximum suspension period for a second DWI conviction is
5 years, 180 days, 1 year, 2 years.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 33. And subsequent DWI convictions are considered felonies in the state of Texas.
Third, first, fourth, second.
Answer.
Third.
Question 34. Potential Texas drivers who are under the age of must provide proof of enrollment in school or in a program that prepares a person to pass a high school equivalency exam.
15, 18, 17, 16.
Answer.
18.
Question 35. Which of the following will help a driver sober up after consuming alcohol?
Taking a cold shower, exercising, drinking coffee. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
None of these answers are correct.
Question 36. A DWI conviction while a passenger under the age of 15 is in the vehicle will result in an additional jail sentence of at least days.
180, 60, 90, 30.
Answer.
180.
Question 37. Conviction of an open container law violation will result in a fine of up to, in the state of Texas,
$500, $1,500, $100, $1,000.
Answer.
$500.
Question 38. A Texas driver could lose his or her driving privileges for up to, upon his or her first DWI conviction,
6 months, 90 days, 30 days, 1 year.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 39. What should a Texas driver do when stopped by a police officer?
Turn the engine off. Move his or her vehicle to the right edge of the road. Turn on his or her hazard lights. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 40. A second DUI offense by a minor will result in a penalty that includes up to hours of community service.
40, 60, 80, 20.
Answer.
60.
Question 41. A third DWI conviction could result in a fine of up to, for Texas drivers,
$3,000, $1,000, $10,000, $5,000.
Answer.
$10,000.
Question 42. What should a Texas driver do if he or she is involved in an accident?
Show his or her ID to those involved. Exchange contact and insurance information. Stop and render aid. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 43. The minimum jail sentence for a first DWI conviction in the state of Texas is hours.
24, 12, 72, 48.
Answer.
72.
Question 44. A second DWI conviction will require a Texas driver to remain in jail for at least days.
30, 60, 3, 14.
Answer.
30.
Question 45. Texas drivers who are under the age of 18 must hold an instruction permit before proceeding in the state's graduated driver's license program.
30 days. 90 days. 6 months. 1 year.
Answer.
6 months.
Question 46. If a Texas driver is also found to have an open container of alcohol in his or her vehicle at the time of an alcohol-related violation, his or her jail sentence will be increased by days.
2, 10, 4, 6.
Answer.
6.
Question 47. Failure to report a significant vehicle crash to Texas authorities could result in a jail sentence of up to days.
3, 180, 30, 60.
Answer.
180.
Question 48. A third DUI offense by a minor could result in the young driver spending up to days in jail.
90, 10, 180, 30.
Answer.
180.
Question 49. A third DUI offense by a minor may result in a fine of up to
$1,000, $4,000, $3,000, $2,000.
Answer.
$2,000.
Question 50. A first DUI by a minor conviction will result in up to hours of community service.
10, 30, 20, 40.
Answer.
40. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.